Good afternoon, everybody. Mark here from Mark's Garage, back with another installment of the V4 Panigale build, affectionately dubbed Francesca. Today I'm back and we're installing a carbon fiber exhaust heat shield on this bad boy. We're getting rid of all this plastic right here and exchanging it for a nice carbon fiber piece. So kind of joining me in a little bit of the video. I've already got everything pretty much torn down. We're ready to dig in and start getting this heat shield off of there. As you can see, I have to remove the tank and the upper and lower fairings to be able to get at all these bolts that are down in there from the top side to remove this heat shield. So we got, looks like we got 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe these might have to come out to get to this bolt here to be able to get out. These two here to remove this piece and for the wiring channel there. And then we've got 2 that are underneath here that I've got a shortened Allen wrench, so that we're going to see if we can figure out a way to get that out without actually having to remove the subframe. I've got a shortened Allen wrench to be able to get these out here. I'll show you the piece we got that we're replacing with it. Some nice matte carbon piece from Carbon King out of the UK. Matches the Ducati Performance stuff. Pretty nice as far as finish and weave goes. So we're excited about that. We'll get back to you here in a little bit with more progress. I'll take some still shots and add them into the video as we're going through. And then if there's anything else that comes up during the video, I'll break in and explain that, and then we'll look at a finished product hopefully later. Just got the tank over there. My fairings upstairs in the house. I keep them safe. And then these little tool pieces over there, they're for RC51. We'll get into that in another video there, but some exciting stuff going on there. All right, stay tuned for more, and then follow up for the end of the video. All right, just a quick update here in the middle. So I've got almost everything out to get this thing out. I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but even with everything out, Ducati still finds a way to make it so dang difficult where you can't get this piece right here actually out from around just this little section of pipe here and back off of here. They find a way to make it so you can't get this stupid little piece out without actually taking the subframe off. So it's just I don't know who designed these bikes, man. It's one thing after another, just like this that comes up all the time. So we've got to pull in here, and at minimum we're going to try and loosen these back bolts here and loosen these front ones, and maybe we can get just enough clearance where we can get this plastic piece and then this heat shield. These little thimbles right here are causing the problem there. It won't clear that with enough clearance to slide this black piece out. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the subframe a little bit. We had to remove the rear set as well too, so it's been kind of a pain in the butt. I do got some good pictures about some of the tools that I had to use and the tricks and the shave down Allen wrench to be able to get these 2 screws out from in here. So this is quite the job. I really hope that this piece I bought lasts. Welcome back. Mark here, back after completion of the carbon fiber heat shield. Spent the better part of the afternoon and evening working on this off and on. Finally got done around 11 o'clock at night. As you saw in the earlier parts of the video and the photos, it was quite the job, So here we are, all complete, put back together. Looks great. Looks very good. I'm very happy with this mod. Kind of completes it. Quite a bit of the carbon that I wanted to get done on this bike now. So it's looking great. Really happy with how the build's going so far. Quite a bit more still I want to do. Of course, they're never really complete. I'm really satisfied with the bike and where it's going. As far as what I recommend doing these carbon fiber heat shields, unless you're pretty handy with some wrenches and pretty familiar with taking apart a bike and putting the bike back together. A lot of Ducati owners really aren't. They like to take their stuff to the dealer, and I imagine if you took your bike to the dealer to get that installed, you're going to be paying quite a bit to get it installed, as the labor was quite intensive. I mean, you saw all the stuff that I had to remove. Pretty much all the fairings, side fairings, lowers, gas tank, seat, subframe, rear set. Quite a bit of stuff just to get to that piece. But it's only time to me, and everything went back together smooth. Fitment was pretty good on this piece. Again, this is from Carbon Kings in the UK. I don't know exactly where he sources his stuff, so my suspicion is it's offshore sourced, but fit and finish on it is good. Finish is really good. Fitment, what I did is to have a uni bit that I use, and I cleaned up a lot of the holes on the carbon fiber and a lot of holes for the grommets, and added some additional heat shielding. As you can see, kind of the gold heat tape poking through there, and I added a lot of heat shielding to the back of the carbon as well. It did come with some already installed, but I wanted to be just as safe as I possibly can, because I got a suspicion that heat on this carbon right so close to the exhaust and everything is just not going to last all that long before it starts to discolor. And I really don't care what brand of carbon you have. I believe all of it's going to do that over time. So I'm looking at it as hopefully I can get a year and a half, 2 years out of it with regular riding, non-track riding, where it's not super abusive to the heat of it. So hopefully I can keep it looking nice, at least for a couple years before I'm tearing it apart and doing it again. Other than that, stay tuned for some more videos. Got a couple projects I'm working on the RC51s that I'm really excited about, and I can't wait to show you guys some of the stuff going on those. Had a really good buddy of mine on the RC51 Facebook page that created some hidden fairing stays for the RC51s that will remove some of those dated fairing support brackets on the top of it. So looking forward to that, to getting those put on there. Again, we'll take you walk around the bike one more time real quick, and then we'll let you go for the day, and I'll get this video put together and uploaded on Facebook. Appreciate it, y'all. Have a great day. Mark here from Mark's Garage. Like, click, and subscribe, and I'm out.